Hello, everyone. You are watching this video because you have the 2024 14th edition Resilience Management Report, which focuses on program maturity trends. Now, this report is filled with a tremendous amount of data. However, it's not really customized to your peer group by industry sector or by organizational revenues. So, for anyone who did participate or still wants to participate in our study, by June 30th, 2024, can receive this dashboard that you see in front of you. Now, obviously, this is a sample of our 14th edition 2024 Resilience Management Trends dashboard, but it gives you an understanding of the type of data you would receive for your confidential participation in the study, again, by June 30th. Um, One thing I do want to point out when we start going through what the dashboard looks like, you'll see text that's cutting off within some of the data charts. And that's because the text is taken directly from this study. And of course, we don't want to change that study text because it's going to change the answers. And we want to be very clear about that. But when you do receive the dashboard that's customized, you also receive a key to help read the dashboard so you understand the text that might be missing or cut off from some of the dashboard or some of the data charts, excuse me. So as we scroll down, we obviously see the program status. You can kind of gauge how you, again, you compare to your peers and benchmark your program. We also have a variety of program maturity statements on how well your program is aligned. If it does not describe at all to very much aligns to this statement. So great information that covers your executive engagement, how often you're effectively in advancing your program, utilizing steering committees. Then we get into department owner. This data chart definitely changes by industry sector. So very important again to get that peer group assessment. If the program is positioned for maximum effectiveness, who the sponsor is, again, how engaged is that sponsor, level of separation of that sponsor from the executive committee, and getting into assessments, approving BIAs, audits, exercising of the program, what different types of exercises, test scenarios do you utilize? Then we get into budgeting. I get this question all the time. And budgeting is very key to make sure that you are having the right resources to help meet your program's demands. The different budget line items are included in your budget. What's the average percent for each individual budget line item? Is that budget line item increasing, decreasing, or remaining the same in the next year? Then we get into staffing as well. Again, another big question on how many staff should you have dedicated to your program? And this does change by the number of disciplines you have in your program, the size of your organization, the current maturity level of your program. Then we get into looking at utilizing of service providers, estimated financial loss, and then finally to wrap it up, we touch on regulatory topics. If your organization is required to comply or if you model after a particular regulatory topic, as well as industry standards, best practices, and if you're certified in the standard. Now, if you have not participated yet in this study, again, you still can to get this customized dashboard. We do monitor new study respondents every business day at the end of the day. If you still want to participate, go to our website at bcmanagement.com, hover over Research and Insights, click on BCM Program Research. That will take you to this page here. Click on Participate BCM Resiliency Trend Study, and this will take it it will take you to this page right here where you can click on Participate Now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn. Again, my name is Cheyenne Marling. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you might have, as well as discuss any benchmarking that you might want to conduct in your program. Thanks so much for listening in and make it a great day.